Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. If you are looking to add some beauty to your garden plot but are working with limited finances, don't worry. There are plenty of DIY ideas and materials you can use to create a stunning outdoor space. Today, we are going to focus on some original solutions that are both affordable and easy to implement. One great way to decorate your front yard is by adding a small decorative fountain with just a small pump and some tea-grated tableware. You can create a beautiful and calming water feature almost anywhere on your property. This is especially great for shaded corners where plants may not thrive, and it can also serve as a great alternative to a traditional rock tea. Plus, fountains are low maintenance and provide a soothing sound that many homeowners love. If you have an artificial reservoir or your property, you can also add some natural elements to it by supplementing the outline with shins. This adds a unique and charming touch to your outdoor space and can be done quickly and easily with just a few materials. Now, here are some ideas for garden decoration using different materials. First, flower beds. Flower beds are a classic way to add color and vibrancy to your garden. You can use a variety of plants and flowers to create a stunning display. Consider using different textures and heights to add depth and interest. You can even create raised flower beds using old restored wood. Second, stones and succulents. Another great way to add interest to your garden is by using stone and succulents. Arrange different sized stones and a decorative pattern and fill the gaps with succulent plants. This creates a low maintenance, drought resistant display that perfect to sunny spots. Third, log compositions. If you have access to logs, you can create some unique and rustic garden decorations. Arrange logs in a pyramid shape or use them as planter for flowers or herbs. You can also create a log bench or sitting area for a charming outdoor space. The last idea, cactus gardens. Cacti are a great option for those who want low-maintenance plants that thrive in hot, dry climates. Create a cactus garden using a variety of shapes, sizing, and colors. You can even incorporate decorative rocks or sand to complete the look. We hope these ideas have given you some inspiration for your own garden decorations. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to using materials and creativity to enhance your outdoor space. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more ideas and inspiration.